Good morning, friends, and Marshie. He's having his little snack. That's I got shorts that they were hanging on the chair, but they've dropped. It's almost 11:30. I'm having mango. Heidi and her boyfriend just left. Didn't vlog much with them here, but yeah. Marshie's having a snack. Snack time. This guy was barking at me because he needed a walk. He got his business done and now we're back home and it's like almost midday. You're so cute. You're so cute. Marshie's got his bestie round. Where are you? Where are you? There you are. There's my little zigzags. There's my little zigzags. You want to play with this? What is it? It's the toilet. It's the poo bag roll. Get it. She running. She running, Marsh. That's your butt. Bye. You giving up? Giving up already. It's like one of those Yucca's cheese bar things. You two are playing. Are you playing? Okay. Oh dear. It's okay, Pop Pop. It's okay. Breathe. Breathe, good boy. Whoa! She just leapt. She's gonna have some water. Oh, she took the ball. She found the ball. I bought her that exact same ball and she ripped it to shreds, so she doesn't have it anymore. Because I bought two. I bought one for Marshie and one for her. Oh, Siggy! Oh, that's the tripod. So I'm just making some chopped up chocolate right now because I'm going to make white chocolate and raspberry cookies, and I need 250 grams of white chocolate chips, and I like to do a mixture of chips and actual white chocolate because it tastes so much better. And I also have some more chips from Oyster. These, this is about 100 something grams, if that, so I need to add this, and then this is 150, so this makes up, actually maybe this is less than 100 grams because I'm definitely sure it wasn't enough. Anyway, I'm chopping that up. So we've got to cream the butter and the sugars together. This is 115 grams of butter, and this is 100 grams of soft brown sugar, or light brown sugar, and then 100 grams of granulated sugar, which you can't see because it's underneath, but I promise it's in there. So just cream the butter a little bit before I add the sugars in. There's the granulated in. And then we put this back down. Oh, I didn't know I could do that. We put this back down first. And then we can start it on again. Let that cream for a minute or two. Okay, so the sugars have creamed with the butter, so now I'm going to add some vanilla and egg. Probably about a teaspoon of vanilla. I can't remember what the recipe says, but I've got this vanilla bean extract, so I'm going to pour that ought to do it. It's going to be white chocolate and raspberry flavoured anyway, and egg. It's supposed to be a large egg. It's a medium egg, but it's enough. It's enough liquid because the raspberries are wet because I use fresh. So that's good. Get all the ingredients out, and then we put it back on. So it's basically beat now. So I've got in here, I'm going to add 250 grams of plain flour. Oh, I need some bicarb. which I haven't put in yet. I've got 1 tablespoon of cornflour and some, just throwing things on the floor, and some salt. And then I actually don't have bicarb, but I have baking powder, which is kind of the same thing. I know it's not really, but it's fine. And I think I need to use a teaspoon of that, or a tablespoon. I need to check. So it's half a teaspoon, but I'm just going to put the flour in. And we'll get half a tablespoon. Half a tablespoon, half a teaspoon. Don't know, let me find out. It's half a teaspoon, so I'm just going to use my half teaspoon measure. Put in half a teaspoon. There we go. And then put this down and we'll mix it slowly because that is a lot of powder. So it's now become a dough. Gentle mixing. So what we're going to do is I cut up all my chocolate chips. This is probably not as many as it should be, but I put them in the fridge because I wanted them to be nice and cold when they go in the oven. Just toss them all in there. And it may be enough. Maybe we won't put that many chocolate chips in. And then the fresh raspberries. This is 150 grams of fresh raspberries. They're going to get dumped in there and they're going to add some moisture back into the dough, which probably isn't the best, but they come out super moist and delicious. And because they're fresh raspberries, these are very healthy cookies because it's just fruit. Oh my goodness. The thing fell off. Right, where is it? Oh my goodness. Okay, it's the front of the KitchenAid thing. It's okay because these can come off to have different attachments, so it's not like a piece of the machine fell off, but anyway. This can't go down properly because there's too much ingredient. Okay, fine. Slowly let it combine. So this is what we've ended up with. It looked very pink, but it tastes so good. I'm gonna put some on baking paper, on some baking sheets, and put them in the oven. I've just dropped the mixture onto baking trays, and they're gonna go in the oven at 200 degrees Celsius. I don't know for how long. I think 20 minutes, maybe 10. I need a second tray going in. So they are in there for 10 to 12 minutes. So because the oven's not quite hot, we'll do 12 minutes and check. Ziggy can do some tricks too. So one of the things I taught her was snoot. Ziggy, snoot. Yes, good girl. And this one, rest. Instead of chin. Marshie, chin. Chin. Good boy. Ziggy's playing with this ball. It's actually a cat ball, but I got it from Marshie, and it's a Kong ball, but it's got a bell inside, so it jingles, and she is loving it. Get it! It's alright, Marshie doesn't want your ball. But I think I might give it to her. She loves it. And it's green and white, which is the Celtics colours, and they are Celtics supporters, so they'll love it, I'm sure. This is what they've come out of the oven looking like. A little bit crispy, so I've turned down the oven a little bit, and I probably won't leave them in very long next time. Piggy, get away from my cookie. Oh, doesn't even break in the middle. Ooh. Gums. Ziggy's got zoomies. I think she's gonna stop now though. I thought that was really funny. And Marsha's just sitting here chill. Yeah, just shake all the water everywhere in the house. Hi, Papa. Marshie was trying to play with Ziggy. Ziggy's trying to eat Marshie's food treat dispenser that actually has nothing in it. It's empty. So she got it down from the table. And yeah, Oh, Marsh's outside.
Taking these ones out for a little walkie. It's almost 4 o'clock. We're going for a walk. Walkies. I went to the gym. I used my new Pot Flex shorts and I actually love them. They're so good. Anyway, without the cardigan. Now we're going to go on a walk. Guys, so awkward. So we got on the lift. There was a guy doing maintenance in there checking on our lift operations, which is great because he's checking to see how long it takes for the lift operator to answer if there's like an emergency. And it was over 5 minutes and he was like 1 or 2 minutes is fine, but it's over 5 minutes. He showed me the time on his phone and yeah, great. Bit embarrassing. Never mind. Hello! Hi George! How you doing? No one's barking today! So excited! Yay! Oh my god, can you hear the ice cream van in the background? So cute. It just drove by and there was 2 girls playing with like the dad, I think. And then one of the girls goes, ice cream, ice cream. And the dad's like, forget it. And I just burst out laughing. It was so funny. Maya! He's such a cutie pie. Hello. Hello. That's it. Well, it's coming up to this evening. It's looking a little bit cloudy. So I'm a little worried because we ain't gonna see the aurora tonight if it's cloudy. Yeah. I'm so sad I missed out on Friday. Damn, could have shown you guys. It would have been so cool. Oh, I just missed it. Oh no, we didn't. Someone's setting off fireworks for some unknown reason. Maybe someone's birthday. Maybe that was the end of it. So I'm just about to have a shower because I need to wash my hair, and we are on Aurora watch, but it's not looking very likely so far. However, there might be something happening at midnight and it's only 10 or coming up to 10 p.m. now. So we've got a few hours to go. So hopefully, fingers crossed. I am going to set some alarms because I'm really tired and I may sleep. So we'll see. Little Marshie is sleeping and it's looking like Aurora watch is not happening. I mean, the Aurora is not happening. I'm still watching, but it's almost midnight, or it's all 11:30. So yeah, we're gonna sleep and I will update tomorrow if I see them, which I probably won't. Sad times.